Alright, so welcome back to another day of the 100 Days Design Challenge with Xpress-Pixels. And today we'll be designing a food delivery flyer, okay? Alright, so let's just dive right into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, select my canvas size, okay? So I'll be using these dimensions, and I'm going to create. So the first thing I want to do is add a background. Good. So the background I want to add is this. So I'm going to go right into my files, and then this is the background I'll be using. I'm going to take this, drag and drop out of Photoshop. Good. So let me increase this. So I'm just going to increase this. Alright. That's one. Now the next thing I'm going to do, import the next background, the next resource I'll be using. Okay, so now the next resource I'll be using is this. So let me just drag these Photoshop to drop this here. So I'm just going to select this elliptical marquee tool, and then I'm just going to increase this right across. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to adjust. Sorry, I'm going to press shift and then just drag this right across. I'm going to have a perfect circle. Okay, alright, so let me just adjust this center. The reason I'm doing this because I want to crop out just the plate. Okay, so once you adjusted that and it's perfect, you just select this. Let me just raise this up. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to import my next resource. I'm just going to go here. This is the next resource I'm using. I'm going to take this, drag and drop out of Photoshop, drop this here. Alright, this is good. So right here where it's placed is good. So right on this, I'm just going to come here and select my curves. Now I'm going to increase my curves, drag this down. Alright, so I'm going to create a clipping mask. I want it to just be clipped to the hand directly, and I'm going to invert it. Control I, invert. So I'm going to take my brush tool and I'm just going to wipe the bottom part of it. I'm going to ensure my brush tool is in soft brush. Alright, and then I'm just going to wipe the bottom. Sorry, I'm going to change this to white, and I'm just going to wipe the bottom part of my brush tool. Okay, just the bottom part. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import a shape tool. I'm going to import a shape, and then I'm going to drag right across this. Alright, so now the idea of this shape tool is make sure it does not go past this hand here. Okay, and let me drag it, and I'm going to drag it behind the hands. So now the next thing I'm going to do, let me change the color of this. Sorry, so I want the color to be something like this. Something like this. I think this is okay. And then I'm going to say okay, so you can just copy color code FFF3DB, something like that. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is right on this, I'm going to create a layer mask. Just tap here to create a layer mask, and then I'm going to take my brush tool. Now I'm going to select a hard brush, hard round brush, okay, and then I'm just going to change this to be black, and then I'm just going to erase this here. Yes. Alright, so next I want to do, let me just drag all of these. Let me just drag this and increase and raise it up. Just take this up. Alright, so the next I want to do is I want to add right the word delivery. So just go to your text tool, select your text tool, and then you place right on this. I'm just going to write the word delivery using caps, so DELIVERY, and I'm going to change the font to Mozambique. Alright, so Mozambique, and then the font style I'm going to select smooth. Let me just increase the text. right? So I have that arrow Y, right? So shift R. Good. So I'm going to take this drag. I'm just going to increase it. Let me centralize this, and then I'm going to increase it. Okay. All right. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to move this text right behind the hand. Good. So I'm going to duplicate this alt. Okay. Let me just edit. So delivery just got easier. JUSTGOT. I'm just got better. BETTER. So Ctrl A, and then let me reduce the size of that. Adjust the size of that. Let me send it in a bit. So full delivery just got better, and I'm going to adjust the font style to Montserrat. Okay, Montserrat, and I'm going to select the font weight of semi-bold, and let me reduce the size of this. So just reduce the size of this. All right. So the idea is to let the text start from the beginning of delivery and end at the end of the delivery. Okay. All right. So once I'm done with that, I want to add another text. Now the text I want to add is food. The word food. Let me just raise this text up. So that's too much. So the text I want to add is the word food. So I'm going to take my paste. I'm going to my text tool, and then I'm going to then just click, and I'm going to add the text food. So let me click here, and I'm going to add the word food. So FOOD. Good. FOOD food. Control A. I'm going to change the color to white. All right, let me just take this right on top here. Okay, my text is behind, so I need to bring it forward. All right, so let me drag my word, the text food, and let me increase it. All right. To increase and centralize it. Good. Alright, so the hand here, let me just increase this hand because I want everything to be centralized as much as possible. So make sure when you want to increase the hand here, you select with the curve also, so that it goes with you. And then I'll just press OK. Alright, so now the next, I'm going to import the next resource. So going to where I have my resource file. Just take this, drag and drop inside of Photoshop. Alright. So once it drops, I'm just going to reduce, place at one corner here. This is okay. I'm just going to duplicate this alt here. Let me rotate it. I'm just going to rotate it, and I'm going to increase the size of it. Just double click. Alright, so with that, we've come to the end of the design for today. I hope you learned something new. I hope to see you in the next one. Please, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright, have a wonderful day.